Hi, it's Kirsten and Gertrude here from WTI. My dog only eats the best of the best food, and when it comes to treats, I definitely try to ensure that she has high quality but tasty treats. So these freeze-dried raw treats from RANOVA blew us away. So my dog is a very picky eater, which is why sometimes I need to use a topper for her food, and these were the absolute perfect topper. So in the mornings, she has an egg white, and I would top that with some of these treats just torn up a little, and then in the evenings over her kibble, and she inhaled her food. She loved the taste. So I love that these are just one ingredient, so you know exactly what you're giving your dog. And it's not just any one ingredient. They choose the best beef. They trim every excess fat off of this beef, and then they freeze dry it for up to 36 hours. So what you're left with is an actual piece of beef. It's lightweight, it's tasty, and you can even hydrate it into water, and then you have a fresh piece of beef, which my dog equally really loves. So the sizing is great because if you have a large dog, they're the perfect size, but with my small dog, I can easily break it up into small pieces, and she loves it. We're using it for training her. I also take a little fanny pack when I go on walks, so they're the perfect size to put in my fanny pack. My dog is just obsessed with them. She has eaten half of this container in just a few weeks. So I think any dog is gonna love these. And as a dog parent, you're gonna love the fact that there's only one ingredient, they're high in protein, there's nothing else added. Your dog is gonna be happy, you're gonna be happy, but that's just my point of view.